Good day, this is Rashmi and you're watching SK Live, your time, your news. Moving towards the headlines. 86,961 new COVID-19 cases in India, tally reaches 54,87,580. Rajya Sabha chairman rejects notice for no confidence motion against Harivansh, suspend 8 MPs. PM Modi expresses grief at loss of life in Bhiwandi building collapse. Let's move toward the headlines in details. India's COVID-19 tally reached 54.88 lakh with 86,961 people being infected in the past 24 hours, while 46,96,399 people have recuperated so far, pushing the national recovery rate to 80.12% on Sunday, according to the Union Health Ministry data. Rajya Sabha on Monday suspended 8 members, including TMC leader Derek O'Brien, a day after the House witnessed unprecedented, unruly scenes by protesting opposition members during the passage of farm bills. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has expressed condolences to the bereaved families in the building collapse incident in Maharashtra's Bhiwandi. The Supreme Court on Monday agreed to consider a public interest litigation seeking directions to provide food and proper healthcare facilities to children and lactating mothers after it claimed that Anganwadis were closed due to lockdown. The body of a Lance Nayak of the Indian Army was found hanging from a tree inside the campus of Sikh Regimental Centre here, the third case of unnatural death in the campus within 3 weeks' time. Congress Member of Parliament Kodaikunil Suresh on Monday said the party will hold a meeting today to take an appropriate decision to support the farmers and to plan for a nationwide strike against the agriculture bills passed by the government in the parliament. A group of terrorists attacked a party of 110 Battalion of CRPF in Jammu and Kashmir, Naugam, here police said on Monday. On the occasion of World Gratitude Day, actor Ayushmann Khurrana expressed his thank you to all his directors that he worked with for shaping him as an artist. Actor Kangana Ranaut on Saturday came out in support of actor Payal Ghosh, who accused filmmaker Anurag Kashyap of sexual assault a few years ago. Going back to work after 6 months, actor Abhishek Bachchan on Saturday shared a clip stressing the importance of wearing a mask amid COVID-19 outbreak as he switches his work mode on for the shooting of his upcoming flick, The Big Bull. Delhi Capital skipper Shreyas Iyer said that spinner Ravichandran Ashwin will be available for the next game, but the final decision will be taken by team physio Patrick Farhat. That's all for today's news. Keep watching SK Live.